The OnePlus Ace 6T is one of those phones that instantly feels like it means business, launching in early December 2025 with a premium build and serious flagship energy. It comes in at around 211 to 216 grams with a slim 8.1mm profile, making it surprisingly manageable for such a large device. You get a glass front protected by crystal shield glass, an aluminum alloy frame, and either a glass or fiber-reinforced plastic back, all wrapped together with IP68 and IP69K protection for water and dust resistance. This thing is clearly built to survive daily use while still looking sleek and modern. Before we go any further, if you enjoy deep dives like this into the latest smartphones, make sure to subscribe and like the video so you don't miss out on future content. Now let's get back to the Ace 6T, because the display alone deserves attention. It features a massive 6.83-inch AMOLED panel with a 1272 by 2800 resolution and a super smooth 165Hz refresh rate. With HDR10+, HDR Vivid, and up to 3600 nits of peak brightness, this screen is built for everything from gaming to streaming in bright outdoor conditions, and the 90% screen-to-body ratio makes it feel truly immersive. Powering the phone is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset built on a 3nm process, paired with the Adreno 840 GPU. This setup is aimed directly at performance lovers, delivering fast app launches, smooth multitasking, and top-tier gaming performance. The octa-core CPU with high-clocked Oryon cores ensures the phone stays responsive even under heavy loads, and with Android 16 running on ColorOS 16, the overall experience feels modern, fluid, and highly optimized. Memory and storage options are equally impressive, with configurations going all the way up to 16 GB of RAM and a massive 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. There's no card slot, but honestly, with this much built-in space, most users won't miss it. Whether you're recording high-resolution videos, downloading large games, or juggling multiple apps, the Ace 6T handles it without breaking a sweat. On the camera side, the OnePlus Ace 6T keeps things clean and practical with a dual-camera setup. The main 50-megapixel sensor features optical image stabilization and a bright f/1.8 aperture, delivering sharp photos with good dynamic range. The 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera adds flexibility for landscapes and group shots, while features like HDR, panorama, and a color spectrum sensor help improve overall image accuracy. Video recording goes up to 4K at 120 frames per second, supported by gyro-based stabilization for smoother footage. The front camera comes in at 16 megapixels and handles selfies and video calls reliably, with HDR support and 1080p video recording. It's not trying to be flashy, but it gets the job done well, especially for social media and everyday use. Stereo speakers add to the experience, delivering loud and clear audio, although there's no headphone jack, which is expected at this point. Connectivity is another strong point here, with support for Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, infrared, and a full range of global positioning systems. Dual SIM support makes it practical for work and travel, and the ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner adds both speed and security. Everything feels well-rounded, with no major compromises in day-to-day usability. One of the biggest highlights is the battery. The Ace 6T packs a massive 8,300 mAh silicon-carbon battery, which is huge for a phone this slim. It supports 100W wired charging, along with multiple fast charging standards, and can hit 50% in just 23 minutes. Features like bypass charging also make it great for gaming sessions, helping reduce heat and preserve battery health over time. In terms of design and color options, OnePlus keeps things clean and stylish with black, purple, and green finishes. The phone feels premium in hand, and the microarc oxidation coating adds durability while maintaining a refined look. At around €320, the pricing makes it extremely competitive considering the hardware you're getting. Overall, the OnePlus Ace 6T feels like a true performance-focused flagship that doesn't cut corners. From its high refresh rate AMOLED display and powerful Snapdragon chipset to its massive battery and fast charging, it's clearly built for users who want speed, endurance, and modern features in one package. If you found this breakdown helpful and want more tech content like this, don't forget to subscribe and like the video to stay updated with the latest smartphone releases.